Did you know your heart beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping about 2,000 gallons of blood? That's right, your heart, this fist-sized powerhouse, is working tirelessly to ensure every cell in your body receives the nutrients it needs to function optimally. It's like your body's personal delivery service, making sure every organ, every tissue gets its share of oxygen and nutrients. Now, let's talk about the heart's trusty sidekick, the gut. Our small intestine is about 22 feet long. That's about the height of two giraffes stacked on top of each other. The small intestine works hard to break down food and absorb those nutrients your heart is so eager to deliver. On the other hand, our large intestine is only about 5 feet long. Despite its shorter length, it plays a crucial role in our body's waste management system. Its job is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter, sending the rest out as waste. You see, our heart and intestines have this beautiful symbiotic relationship. The heart pumps blood to the intestines, helping them carry out their job. In return, the intestines absorb nutrients from the food we eat and send them back into the bloodstream. How amazing is it that these organs, each with their unique roles, work together in such harmony to keep us alive and well. They are like an orchestra, each playing their part, creating a symphony of life. It's a constant reminder that every beat of our heart, every moment of our lives, is a result of this intricate and ceaseless collaboration. So, that's the story of your heart and intestines, working together to keep you alive and well. It's a tale of teamwork, resilience, and the incredible complexity of the human body. And remember, every time you eat a meal or take a breath, you're not just fueling yourself, but you're also playing a part in this beautiful symphony. What if I told you that your brain can generate enough electricity to power a low wattage LED light bulb? Yes, it's true. This magnificent organ, the control center of our body, generates between 12 to 25 watts of electricity. This is enough power to light a low wattage LED bulb. Your brain is a real-time power plant, operating 24/7, processing information, generating thoughts, and commanding your body to perform functions, all while creating its own energy. Now, let's talk about iron. Did you know that your body harbors enough iron to make a 3-inch nail? This essential mineral is found in every cell of our body, primarily in our red blood cells. It helps carry oxygen from our lungs to the rest of our body. So, if you ever decide to start a new career as a blacksmith, remember that you're carrying around your first project. Moving on to a distinctive human trait, the chin. You might have never given this feature much thought, but it's a unique human characteristic. No other animal on this planet has a chin. Scientists believe that the evolution of the chin is linked to changes in our diet, the development of speech, and even social dynamics. So, the next time you rest your chin in your hand while deep in thought, remember, it's just another thing that makes us uniquely human. And finally, let's talk about the color spectrum. Our eyes can distinguish around 10 million different colors. This is due to the complex interaction between our eyes and brain, which allows us to perceive and interpret light in many ways. It's an amazing feat of human biology that enables us to experience the world in all its vibrant glory. That's right, you're walking around with a power plant in your head and enough iron to forge a small nail. The human body is a marvel of nature, a testament to the incredible power of evolution, and a reminder of just how unique and special we are as a species. Do you realize you can distinguish about 10 million different colors with your eyes? That's right, your eyes have the incredible ability to perceive a rainbow of hues, from the softest pastels to the most vibrant shades. The human eye achieves this through a combination of special cells called cones, which are sensitive to red, green, and blue light. By processing the light that bounces off objects around us, our eyes and brain work together to interpret and distinguish millions of different color variations. But the wonders of the human body don't stop there. Take the liver, for instance. This vital organ has an exceptional capacity to regenerate itself. Even if only a quarter of your liver remains, it can regrow to its full size. This remarkable ability helps the liver perform its many functions, from breaking down harmful substances to producing proteins for blood clotting. And here's another mind-boggling fact. Your body is teeming with more bacteria cells than human cells. These microscopic organisms, collectively known as the microbiome, play a critical role in our health and well-being. They aid in digestion, help regulate our immune system, and even influence our mood and behavior. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just looking at a human being. You're looking at a complex ecosystem, a marvel of biological engineering, a living, breathing color palette. Your body's abilities to sense and regenerate are nothing short of miraculous. Ever wondered why you feel taller in the mornings? It's not a figment of your imagination. It's actually due to the cartilage discs in your spine. These discs compress throughout the day under the weight of gravity and expand during your slumber, making you slightly taller when you first wake up. Now, let's talk about the lungs. They may not seem so big-tucked inside your chest, but don't be fooled. The surface area of the lungs is roughly the same size as a tennis court. That's a lot of space dedicated to keeping you breathing. And speaking of daily productions, did you know your body makes about a quart of mucus every day? Yes, a quart. This may sound gross, but mucus plays a crucial role in trapping dust and bacteria to keep your lungs clean and healthy. Next time you wake up feeling tall, remember it's just your body's daily routine. Did you know that the length of all the blood vessels in your body, if laid end to end, would circle the Earth about 2.5 times? Fascinating, isn't it? Meanwhile, we humans can survive longer without food than without sleep. And here's a fun fact. Babies are born with 300 bones, but by adulthood, that number reduces to 206 as some fuse together. Lastly, about 73% of the human brain is water. These facts are a testament to the human body's awe-inspiring complexity and capabilities.